Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed two laws given by Daubernier and Newland, and seen that Daubernier he has given the law of triads, and his law was not uh, was discarded because it was not possible to arrange all the known elements into triads, and law is not applicable to the elements of even the same chemical family. Means when we talk about chemical family of halogen and consider fluorine, chlorine and bromine, we see atomic mass of fluorine is 19 and that of chlorine is 35.5 and bromine is 80. When we, this is the one, this is the second and this is the third. When we find the average of first and third with 19 plus 80, and we find it is about 99.5, which is much larger than the atomic mass of the middle element chlorine. So this law was discarded due to these reasons. After that we have discussed the Newland's law of octaves. Newland law that was based on repeated properties of every eighth element. For this law, but this law also did not work well because when noble gases were discovered, and this law was not applicable for elements that were discovered up to that time. Besides that, it did not work well for heavier elements. So Newland's law was also discarded. Newland, as when he has given the law, up to that time only 56 elements were known, and only element up to calcium, atomic number 40, could be filled into the scheme of octaves. After calcium, every eighth element did not possess properties similar to that of first one. But after the discovery of new elements, it was found that their properties do not fit into the law of octaves. Moreover, in order to fit the elements into his table, he adjusted two elements in the same slot. For example, cobalt and nickel were put in the same slot. So these were the laws that we have discussed yesterday. Today, now we will start the Mendeleev's periodic table or Mendeleev's periodic law. After the rejection of Newland's law of octaves, many scientists continued to search for a pattern that correlated the properties of elements with their atomic masses. But the main credit goes to Mendeleev. He was the most important contributor to the early development of the periodic table of elements. Wherein the elements were arranged on the basis of their fundamental property, the atomic mass, and also the similarity of chemical properties. When Mendeleev started his work, 63 elements were known. He studied the chemical properties of all the 63 known elements. He wrote the chemical properties and atomic mass of each element on separate card, then arrange these elements in the order of increasing atomic masses. And in such arrangement of elements, he observed that elements with similar chemical properties appear at regular intervals. Mendeleev called this repetition the periodic law because similar properties occurred after a fixed interval or period. And this arrangement of elements is called as Mendeleev's periodic table in his honor. This law has been stated as the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. That is, when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic mass, the properties of elements are repeated after regular intervals or periods. Mendeleev periodic table, that is a systematic arrangement of elements into groups and periods in the order of increasing atomic mass. This is the Mendeleev's periodic table. Now, main features of Mendeleev periodic table or main points of the Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev arranged the elements in 8 column called group. You can see this table on page number 83 in your NCERT book. So you can see there are 8 vertical columns that are called as groups, and these groups are further divided into subgroups as first A, first B, second A, second B, and so on. And groups 1 to 7 are subdivided into subgroups. And the properties of elements in the same subgroup of a main group are similar. So this is the first point that was given by Mendeleev. Second point, that is the horizontal row of Mendeleev periodic table are called periods, and in a period the properties of elements are different. And while moving from left to right in periodic table, metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. Mean elements at left are metals or they have more metallic character, and elements at right are non-metals or mean non-metallic character increases. Third point, that is there are a few gaps in Mendeleev periodic table. These gaps show the possibility of the existence of some unknown elements. Thus, Mendeleev predicted the possibility of the existence of unknown elements and left gaps for those undiscovered elements, so that when discovered they could be placed there. Now, basis of classification of elements in Mendeleev periodic table. In Mendeleev periodic table, the elements are classified on the basis of number 1, similarities in chemical properties of element. Second, increasing order of atomic masses of elements. So this is all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss the merits of Mendeleev periodic table. Thank you.